Hey everyone, welcome back to Madras Academy. Have you ever had your clothes get wet suddenly when it rains? In this video, I'll show you how I built a smart clothesline that pulls clothes under shelter when it rains, using just a water sensor, servo motor, and Arduino. Let's start with the components. An Arduino Uno, a water level sensor to detect rain, a servo motor to move the clothes, jumper wires, a breadboard, and a table or cardboard box to act as our shelter. Let's get to the connection part. First, connect the water level sensor's analog output to A0 on the Arduino. VCC goes to 5V and GND to GND. Next, connect the servo motor's signal wire to pin 9, red to 5V, and brown or black to GND. Make sure your connections are firm and safe. The Arduino reads the sensor value. When it starts to rain, the water level sensor gives indication. The Arduino tells the servo to rotate, pulling the clothes under the shelter. When the rain stops, the clothes can move back. Here's the simple code. It reads the sensor value, and if it crosses a threshold, it activates the servo. Let me upload the code now and set up the model. Let's test it. I'll pour some water into the tray to simulate rain. As you can see, the sensor detects it, and the servo pulls the clothes under the shelter. This is a great DIY project for beginners and perfect for school science fairs or smart home demos. You can expand it with a longer motorized clothesline or even solar power. If you like this project, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more smart Arduino builds. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.